Did you know that some flowers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a delight for the taste buds? Today we're exploring the world of edible flowers, their health benefits, and the top 7 blooms that can elevate your culinary creations. Get ready to add a burst of color and flavor to your dishes with these beautiful blossoms. First on our list are nasturtiums, a garden favorite known for their vibrant hues. With a peppery flavor, they're perfect in salads and sandwiches. These peppery blooms can really spice up your salads and sandwiches. Next, we have violets, a classic beauty with a sweet secret. Their sweet floral taste makes them perfect for desserts and refreshing drinks. Violets can add a sweet touch to your cakes, candies, and cocktails. Moving on to pansies, a flower that's as tasty as it is pretty. With a mild, fresh taste, they're perfect in salads or as garnishes. Pansies can turn any dish into a work of art. Coming in fourth are marigolds, known for their bright, sunny appearance. Their tangy taste enhances soups and stews. Marigolds can give your dishes a zesty kick. At number 5, we have borage, an intriguing flower with a surprising flavor. Its cucumber-like taste is delightful in beverages and salads. Borage can add a refreshing twist to your drinks and dishes. Next up is calendula, a flower that's as beneficial as it is tasty. Known for its peppery taste, it's a favorite in teas and soups. Calendula can enhance your dishes with its vibrant color and peppery punch. Last but not least, we have the exotic hibiscus. Its tart, cranberry-like flavor is perfect in teas and desserts. Hibiscus can add a tropical twist to your culinary creations. So there you have it, 7 beautiful flowers that can take your culinary creations to the next level. From the peppery nasturtiums to the exotic hibiscus, we've traversed a floral landscape that's not just pleasing to the eyes, but also to the palate. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating flower facts. Happy cooking!